So it's time for another swim in the North Sea, and today is 10th of June. The clock is 11:30, and yes, I have been walking from the center of Bergen to reach here. This is a neighborhood called Breivik, and it has apartments with sea view. So yes, here it has nice deck like we have in Sweden, and yes, it's time to swim in the North Sea for the second time on my Bergen weekend trip. And won't be the last swim for today, because I'm going to visit 2 or 3 other beaches later today. So yeah, it's actually quite warm today. It's in the air, it is 21 degrees Celsius and feels like temperature of 16 degrees. So, are you ready? You can see the bottom there, so it's pretty clear and clean, despite having many boats around here. So yeah, let's not wait any longer and go in. The last parts of the steps are occupied by seaweed, as you can see. Natural stuff only from the sea. Alright, there are no more steps left, I think. So we need to glide in slowly but easily, steadily. And yes, the water is pretty good. Alright, are you ready? We are going in 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's amazing. Yes, the North Sea delivers once again. Beautiful sunshine, beautiful day, super nice water. Maybe a bit colder than yesterday, to be honest. And this is also more close, so I don't know. But yeah, this is just an ordinary platform here in this neighborhood. So nothing special, not an actual beach, but I call this myself beach spot, where you can easily go into the water. It's perfect. Yep. Greetings from this lovely little neighborhood in Bergen called Breivik, and hope you enjoy this content. And if you are into beaches and visiting Bergen, here is one suggestion where you can go. So yes, greetings from Bergen.